So now, going to swim. Oo. At the Baclayon Resort. So beautiful backyard garden. Thank you so much. We're having the river. Clear water from the river. Wow, beautiful. Look. The rest of my life, I'm so in love with you.
Kaya tulog. Oh, kapatid mo susi. Ayan, kapatid ang tulog.
Ha? Thank you so much to people. Thank you for people. Thank you sa likes. Tired walking. My God. I had a rest of my life. Thank you for Hi. We're here na. Baclayon. Hi, Sir John. Hey, Cheryl. Hope you are happy. Yes po, I'm happy, Sir John. Thank you so much. We're going to swim now with my Gab. Look, the Baclayon Beach Resort. I'm tired. Thank you, Sir John, for joining. No bikini. No bikini. Because the owner of this resort is my father's sister. So that's why. Good afternoon. Makikarigos. Atarado na. Pwede pa magkarigos? Pwede pa? Pwede pa. Oh my God. Ha? Ay, nag-gumid kaya uruli na kami na lang doon. Yun pa? Diba kami. Nanang gusto mo na ano? Kaunon. Nakakal ko nung kami ko. Coke. 1.5. Pwede mag-ano yelo? Mano na lang kami 1.5.
Ako lang na, diba?
Oo, kami lang. Kaubos mi yan. Oo, banding mi man. Tapos, mga bata ko, solo. Parehas kami ni Charity. Solo na bata.
Dako naman na yan.
Oo, dako naman. Mga grade 5. 1.5 tapos kuan. Ano ba yan?
Basta man, mister mo.
Ari na mister. Ari dito.
Ito na.
Partner.
Papa.
Sa American.
Oo.
Si Mike.
May pangalan sa to.
Mike. Mabalik siya sa ano. Makadto ako sa next year. Tapos bisitahon mi si Charity. Sabi ko nga kan Charity bisitahon. Sabi ko kung makada ako gusto ko bisitahon ng pinsan ko. Sabi sige bisitahon. Eh mao man ang gusto ko maka ano.
Oh, mapakato ka.
Niyan makadi siya. Ay
Ama ka ni Dir.
makani kay mapakasal kami. Tapos pag-abot dito, pakasalan niya.
Mapakato.
Pakasalan niya ako dito. Dapat kasal ako dito ng kasal man ako dito. Dapat para ako no legal na.
Oo.
Kaya kung nagpakasal man ako dito, tapos may pinakasalan man yan siya dito na iba na ano, para ano baga.
Basta man magbagat ka man charity.
Oo nga, ang gusto.
Yun ako kansa.
Kay,
Tumigyani kami trabaho. Kaya nakuha man baga niya.
Ama. Sabi nga ni niya, kung sabi nga ni niya, kung ano yun, dapat, parang may ano kay Air Force baga siya, kay Air Force, parang may siya doon sa Erugsonan.
Air Force.
Retired Air Force may ano 1.5 tapos nano pa ang gusto mo kaunon mo?
Ano na lang sa ako?
Yan,
Fish da.
Fish.
Fish.
Oo nga.
Tapos
No,
isda.
is she going to
Yun, mayad talaga.
oh sa Amerika, Pennsylvania, dito man talaga ako nung sabi ni Mike, iba man talaga ako ng mga ugali dito sa Chicago.
Chicago.
Kumbaga dito sa Pilipinas, taga Mindanao, parang Erugson, mga ibang mga ugali. May mga ugali. Kumbaga, ano man. Kaya siguro thank you Sir Card. Ha? Mabuot. Di bira, di man lang may mga may kadaghanan man na Amerikano, di man di anis.
Makamangod pa man.
Tuluman lang sir, namatay ay ang kamanghod niya babae may asawa. Ang kamanghod niya na lalaki, may pamilya man. Mga bata niya may mga pamilya na. Ang asawa niya may asawa man na ima. Nag-divorce na.
Siya din may asawa siya.
Divorce. May asawa pa nun yun to na ano, nag-asawa sa iba. Kaya gusto niya ano, kay hinahabol ang pension niya sa tunang asawa niya. Maski pala divorce na, may karapatan man pala ang dati na asawa. Depende pala yun sa upuda niyo.
Charity maki-divorce ang buo. Ano na.
Uy, divorce na yun. Hindi rin man diyan.
Ora man na pagdala.
Tapos fish da ko no. Awat man ay medyo awat 6 months sa daang process. San ano? San irugsada? Oh, sorry. Duwa po. Sorry, muted.
Pixel.
Ha?
Pixel.
Oo, mahadam ako picture.
Ayan.
Ayun.
Ang kapitsin na yelo.
Opo.
Wang ko na ha.
Sige.
Ay, sinaigay.
Sister po. Ay, sa balay.
Gusto na si Manoy. Kapag
Medyo nag-ayos-ayos na siya. Batog sa to na eh. Baka lang ko sang buwan. Ba yun? Juice maker. Ano yan na year? Dede. Oh, dede. Habo ko man sa iba na lugar. Kaya nga ni, kung halimbawa man, hindi rin nato aram. Pasiguro. Di, tama. The pool. Okay, have a good time. Yes po. Thank you, Sir Jeff. Mukesh. The pool. I'm talking my auntie, my father's sister. Jeff Carbon. Hello, Sir Jeff Carbon. Sorry, I'm just busy for a while. And look, the sword. Ha? Dito ka na, kay Makato na lang ako. Ikaw na, bahala ka kung din. I had the rest of my life. Salamat.
maglagay siya, no?
Ha?
Karoon mo na lang kay kulit para maglamay harap.
Maaram siya. Naglangoy. I had the rest of my life. Here na. Ay. Mao po, may natapo ako na daraga na duwa. Nan soltero. I've had the rest of my life. We are here na po. Oh my God, my love. The picture. We're swimming, my God. Oh my God. I see. My God. Hi, my love. Swimming now. Hello, Cheryl, my love. Cheryl, my love. The owner of this resort, my father's sister. Oh, beautiful channel. Beautiful picture. I love the picture. Yes. Thank you. Just woke up to you, CR, so you were doing live. Okay. Max. There, how is your father? My father's fine. A little bit fine, better na. Tomorrow we're going to the beach. Tomorrow morning, early morning. Hi, Cheryl. How are you? I'm fine, po. I'm fine. We're going to the beach. I'm so in love with you. You like my new picture? I just changed it. It's earlier. Thank you. I love it. You go early morning because you know I cannot watch. No, I know. Sir Cart, I don't know what time. So the different time about the Philippines and Austria. Sorry po. Sorry. Tomorrow morning. So, Mike, yes, nice picture. Thank you, Sir Car. Thank you so much. You go swimming now. Yes, I need to swimming now. Need to swim.
Hapon na ka mo. Nandito lang ka mo? Doon sa luwasan? Ah.
Mag-ailas ka ba? Mag-ailas pa kami. Asa siya pang kapit? Pero mo salamin. Asa mo salamin? Di pa, pero mo salamin. Salamin. Ano gusto lahat ng kanin? Yes. Hindi, nagtatanong ako eh. Hindi mo ako kumain. Huh? Hindi mo ako kumain. Patapos. Eh, din siya, may nagkaya ko doon. Ay, no, sino nga ang ulo? Hindi pa naubos, hindi na dira. Hindi wala ko natin. Powder na gano'n. Ikaw, may kapahod. Kasi,
Siya, you on a pole. Let's see the water. Okay.
naglalagay ako ng rocket na salamin.
Thank you sa likes.
Mainit ba? Hindi. Oo. Palit ang bahasa ano po ang tutul.
Oo, may dara ako. Dominic, ay.
Taho? Wala ko. Ama. Ibig ka?
Yoon Apol. Ala, sabi ko nagluway, nagkaturubian na.
Ah,
Natubian na.
tulkon.
Dagluway ka. Yep, that's her aunt's resort. Yes, yes. My aunt's resort. Yes, my aunt's resort. My sister's father. Okay. Hi Mike, how are you? How are you, brother from Sir Jeff?
Ay, sorry.
Bisaya vlog, thank you. I'm doing good, Jeff. Great, getting things in order here to prepare to move to the Philippines with Cheryl in early September. Yay! Thank you, Han.
Mama, kaya ko na ito. Mama, umuda ka. Umuda ka. So in love with you.
Good for your brother. What is you a military man? Yes. Hi, my God, bomb. Retired Air, Air Force. My Sir Jeff.
Ha? Kapinit din ito mainit. Hindi kaya na mainit ito. Ano? Naragram naman. Ikul-kul daw, pero pag-ikul daw.
Look, wait.
Wait, dito ka. Butang mo lang yung din kay butang yung na cellphone mo. Wait.
Mama, punta ka rito ko. Mama, kid ko.
Ha? Okay. Yes, US Air Force. Spend 2022 years between active duty, active reserves, and inactive reserves. Yeah. Entire US Air Force. Six people. Hi, Papa Mate. Hi, Jeff. Mike, I thought you was because of the haircut. I could tell. Thank you for self-service from Sir Jeff. Yes. Thank you, Sir Jeff. Service salute. Thank you, Sir Jeff. Tap God. Choco True Fuzz. Hi. Thank you, Jeff. Means a lot to me from Mike. Good morning from Choco. Orlando. Hi, Orlando. Grandmother. Yes, grandmother. The grandmother. Hello, what one? No, More. Where are you from? Calling the Jonathan, hi. Think it's alike. Parang kung ayaw ko na basta, buta mo na lang bigyan mo. Philippines, yes, Philippines. I'm not wearing the bikini. I'm not photo shot and numbers of available comments asking. Please first take talk about thank you, my love.
Hello, my underwear. Hi, Roland. Yummy. Apa daw nangyari? Roland, only English please. Your fall is great, yeah. Why are you still screaming is about the rain? What are you talking about? Come on. I hope you're doing well, yes. Sure, yes. You're doing well. Don't worry, Roland. No big deal. Sure. Do I sleep into the pool? No, I can't. Sir Jeff. Mike, where are you from, my brother? I'm in Maryland. Mike live in Pennsylvania. Sir Jeff, he live in Pennsylvania, Maryland.
Baltimore. Baltimore. And then north is Pennsylvania, about 45 minutes northeast of Philly. Northeast of Philly. Philly. Mike, my neighbor, Hersey Park, Pennsylvania, nice place. Pennsylvania, nice place, Sir Jeff. Pennsylvania. Beautiful Pennsylvania, beautiful place. Oh, wow. I'm originally from South Jersey. Oh my. Okay, Mike, you are Jersey boy. The Jersey boy. Gab, kuya ito nabagsakan na balaw na kita tao. Careful from something you ahead from Roland. Mabalaw kita. Ikutan mo dito, mabalaw na kita. Ikutan mo dito ang bagsa ko, mabalaw na kita. Excuse me. Yes, Jersey boy with Jersey attitude for sure. Thank you, Mama. Mabalaw na kita. Dito mo dito sa may ano kuya. Dito sa may puno. Sige, doon na lang. I want you to go to some other channel. When you come back here, maybe we can go in here. Something like that. I can't do like you. want us to stay there for a few days, man. No, I mean just visit here to meet my sister, my father's sister, something like that. My other relatives, my cousin. Because when you hear, they are busy. They are because they have a business, a different business like hardware, some hardware, electrical store, something like that. Shop, they have a shop, so no time for bonding. Wala nga dito. Ito. We need to kuha na. What do you call this? Banlaw na ba? Cold. Look. Cold. Cold. Mainit. Sir Fred, yes, I want to stay. Sir Daddy, something like that. Luwag pa na si Bon. Wala na. was, yes, has broken. Wait.
Guys, pati mo din yan yung ha.
Nagamit didi. Kay maliwan lang ako. Wait. Hi, Pusaka. Wait lang. Going to corner. Hi, Circle. Good. Gabriel. Hoy. What? Nasigasuhan natin ang ito. Nandarahan ka. Oh my God. We're going home na. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Wait.
Ano naman sa'yo? Nabaso.
Ay, nandun ba kinakanta na kita?
O, darahon mo na lang yan. Ako.
Darahon mo lang ako.
Naunam ako.
Napakayo.
Diba?
Ito kung basurahan. Ang sinilas. Saan yung sinilas mo?
Ito. Hilo ba?
Nice po. Yes po. Stop
Nasa
burping. Oh my God. You can wear bikini. No bikini because the owner of the pool is Kuan.
Kuan.
My father's sister. Can't wear. My God. Maybe next time in another resort, I wear. Not here.
Para di na ito malakaw.
Harin.
Karalim.
So, tara naman.
Eh, pagkabarato dito. Pagka-observe dito. Ko lang.
Ah, di mo yan.
Bagang libre na.
Bawal man, kay may naglilingkod dito.
Para po.
Tara ka na yung sa taas. Balik ka mga tapos mag-ayo ka sa plastic.
Yes, yes.
Hi, Gab. Hi, Gab. Sa Mike ko. Hi, Gab. Daddy Mike. Anong sabihan mo, hoy? Ano sasabihan mo?
Ayaw.
Wala. Sabaw nga. Ang tayo ko sabihin.
Hello.
Hi, Mike.
Ano?
Ay, mga Daddy Mike.
Hello.
Ayun na lang.
Ay. Hello. Right. Nabos na.
Why, ano? Hi, Sir Chris. Pusaka, you should put people or Gcash on your channel. Yes, I promise not to call you Pusaka.
Eh, umunta sa ito.
Yes, you need to put the people or Gcash on your channel, Pusaka. I will going home na. Kaya darahan na yung
Mauli na kami na.
we're going home na. Ako na yun na ano. Okay. Wala naman na yan. Tapos na. Oh, may pa. Diyan. Kaya, gano'n na.
Susog na ako.
Hala. Kaya di ano.
Cellphone?
Diri, ano. Kaya. Wait. My God. I need to be sure. Cheryl is tea again. Cheryl, what po? Cheryl again. What it mean? What? Circus? What do you mean circus? Has nothing to do with monetization. Oh,
Meditation?
I do live stream gambling before we met. What? I do live stream gambling before we met. Lots of that's what makes my channel fuck up. Oh my God. That's why no this too many violation, no chance to get oh my God, too many violation. Come on. Good to see you again. Okay. Thank you, Sir. Thank you. Salamat. Mga binyang pwede po makikihudang plastic.
Gela.
Salamat.
Ako ang kasilipin.
Opo, pwede po makakahudang. Kung may nakabili na sa dinaan. Ang kanina daw yun.
Hapon pa yun.
Ito na naman yun.
Parang bracelet.
Butan ko lang doon kung tinan.
Nakabili.
Wala man nagkukuba.
Salamat.
Bagang taklon. Ang
Bali.
yun. Likod ka daw.
Bagang bracelet.
Daw.
Ay, bagang taklob.
Bagang taklon. Pero makintabon mo.
Nakato na kami. Salamat. Bye-bye. See you next time. Mainit. Ang parang grabe na init. Grabe na atay nga sa napreskuhan. We're going home na just for fun. But I like Kiki not so stressful on making views. Yeah. She like making fun, something like that. Just for fun. if you had people or Gcash, people send right to you.
Yes, man.
Yes, Pusaka. No, I don't have PayPal. Why? My
Wala
channel
PayPal
is
in
for
the house.
good, but people send me. Yes, because you are good. Something like that. We're going home na with Gab. Hi, Gab. Say hi, Gab.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hmm. I have Gcash, but I don't like money to other people. I don't like owning favor to other people. Me, I like if you don't want money, Pusaka, I want money. But if the people like to spend money without asking, thank you, Sir Chris. Sorry, I like one. Thank you, Sir Chris. Oh my God. Thank you po. Okay, that's up to you, Pusaka. Yes, it's up to you, Pusaka.
Ako, sarap dito.
Okay, have a good. Thank you, Sir Jeff. Ay, ito na sila.
Magsundo kita, ma.
Sino yun?
Sarap dito, bro.
Sige, ikaw, magsabay ka na. Di ka man dun kasya.
Sira, dua.
Dua. Si Tito Igro. Ikaw, kung gusto mo, di ka man, ayun, nakanala ko na kita kay Piuto mo sira doon. Thank you, Sir Chris. Speaking of kuwan. Nagbanding kami. Mauli na. Nagbanding kami kay magrabi na irangasa. Maglublog. Ay ko ang maglublog dun sa kuan. Naglublog kami saglit. Nani? Diri na, grabe makahadok dun ho. Ay, oo. Hindi na. Kabayaan mo na kami. Kaya na namin. Charot. Thank you, Sir Chris. Okay, my people on my description. Thank you, Sir Chris. Oh my God. Mike, yeah. You know Fred Adam Yankee. Oh my God. I know that sounds is insect. Insect. I remember my grandma's province. Yeah, the sounds of insect, yeah. Shh, something like that. Fred from Sir Chris. Ask Mike. He knows my people well. Yes. Yeah, sounds insect here in Cummings. When it comes like when I don't know how to say it. Night, going night. Sure, Cheryl. Thank you so much. God bless you, Sir Chris. More, and God bless you more. Thank you for sharing your blessings. What's the called? Not cricket. I don't know what it's called. Different insect, and when night coming, something like that. Those are crickets. Yeah, something like that. Those are the sounds of insects. Crickets. And the sounds your voice when my heart beats a girl. It's you. Circus. I'm all about you. I'm all about this. You really know me. Wait. Yeah. They are locusts. Grasshopper, it's cricket. it's cricket. The crickets is grasshopper. Like oh, the sounds loud. Look, the sounds po. Oh my god. Signs of night coming, something like that. Close enough. Close enough. Close enough. Ah, close enough. Lucas. Lucas. Close enough. Lucas. I'm losing my mind. I'm lost. When my heart beat, oh girl, to, we have lots of crickets up here. Oh, really? Because you're living in the mountain. Ha! Ano daw? Pa! Ah, thank you! Di ko man naintindihan. Nag-oo lang. From Charles Tel Tampo. From Mom Charles Tel Tampo. Fred Charles still Tampo. It's still Tampo, but with doors closed, we don't hear. Ah, okay, that's good. Look. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. May ano niyan? May basketball niyan? Mayon?
Aga pa kami na.
Pero may uyag niyan.
Oh,
Ijay, naribo ko naman.
Ano si
No, she seems fine now. Oh, that's good.
Mababit na ni Mama.
Wow.
Darang kuon.
Ha?
Ayaw pa kontak. Darang ko na nagluto na.
Mm.
Paano sa third quarter na mauna na tayo. Palitan.
Ah. Pero ang score niya?
Ano, 18 lang.
Sira.
Nasa 50.
Ah. At least
Kaya
na.
ba kung eto, third quarter na?
Mm.
Ang higit
Better hide all the machete. Thank you so much for joining. I need to end the live because the connection when going to home is too slow. Maybe I will. Thank you so much, Sir Fred. Thank you, my love. But she still won't say sorry. Wow. My God. Thank you, Sir Chris. Thank you, Sir Jeff. Thank you so much. Sir Jeff, thank you, Sir Chris Busaka. Thank you for joining. Thank you, guys. See you next live. Thank you. God bless everyone. BRB right, guys. Visit my other. I will look for Sunshine Sir Fred. Okay, sure. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye.